Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I show you how you can use Supertrend indicator on Heikin Ashi chart. So this is the chart, you just open it here on chart types and then you can see it here, you just select it and then you have it here. Now the indicator which is Supertrend, you just choose it here on indicators, just come to Supertrend and you have it. For beginners, this Supertrend indicator will be giving you buy and sell signals where you need to enter with a buy, where you need to enter with a sell. So you can see here we have a buy signal where you need to enter with a buy signal. Most of the time you'll be getting these signals late, and then when you see these indicators near touching, enter with the different type of an order. Take an example here. When you see this touched, the indicator and the chart touched here, as you can see, now the sell signal started that point. Now I want to show you another one. You can see here, just look, the moment it touches the chart, then that is an opposite type of a signal. So you need to enter in a different direction. So you can see this has started. Now you need to be starting place buy orders. You just wait for it to come somehow down and then you enter with a buy order. So we can still wait for it to just level at this point. So we will be able to enter with a buy order. Of course it might go down, but we have our timer here which might end up saving you. So you need to enter a time frame that is at least good for that. After analyzing your market, also you need to be patient with this. Just wait for it to come down so that you go up with the buy order. So you need to be entering it after it has confirmed to be going up. Right now it might be go down and then it will go up. So here you have the signals, the buy, the sell, that you'll be using to do these predictions here. So that is it. Thanks for watching. If you don't have an account, create using the link in the description below. If you have a question, leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching.